LGA is the best safety partner for decoration, replacement of lamps, electrical appliances, cleaning and maintenance. When our customer receives the LGA, they cannot install it without our help. In order to better serve our customers, then I will introduce you how to install it accurately. 1. Press the buckle plate. Put down 2 small legs. Pull out the pin of big outrigger. Put down the big outrigger and insert the pin.
There's no one better and no one that I'd rather be than the one that's staring back at me. I'm atypical, so unusual girl, enjoying the ride.
Put your goods on the forks. Swing the winch clockwise. Goods slowly rise. The LGA portable manual aluminum lifter can lift up to 454 kilograms, 1,000 pounds, and 7,400 millimeters, 291 inches. Its robust, industrial-grade construction can handle the toughest job sites. If you have the same requirements, you can contact us by email, shanghai@sinolift.com.